To avoid future payment blocks on Snapchat, it's important to follow a few simple steps to ensure your account remains in good standing. Here is a straightforward guide to help you manage your payments effectively. Step 1. Keep your account information updated. Regularly check and update your account information, including your email address and phone number. This ensures that Snapchat can contact you if there are any issues with your payments. Step 2. Use a valid payment method. Always use a valid and accepted payment method linked to your Snapchat account. Make sure your credit or debit card is active, has sufficient funds, and is not expired. Step 3. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your spending on Snapchat. If you notice any unusual transactions or if you exceed your budget, it may trigger a payment block. Staying within your limits can help prevent issues. Step 4. Follow Snapchat's community guidelines. Adhere to Snapchat's community guidelines and terms of service. Engaging in prohibited activities can lead to account restrictions, including payment blocks. Step 5. Contact support for issues. If you encounter any problems with payments, contact Snapchat support immediately. They can provide assistance and help resolve any issues that may lead to payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure a smooth experience with payments on Snapchat. Staying proactive and informed will minimize the chances of encountering future payment blocks.